Who said record? I didn't say record. There we go. I've been wanting one of these for a while. A nice new Montana reversible drill bit with countersinking bits as well. Because whenever I countersink, you know what happens. Yes, I get that starry mess. Let's get inside this package. Dear Montana, I hate this type of packaging. Oh, that's cool. Comes in its own little case as well. And keep the spiders and the cobwebs and the dust out. What have we got? Ooh. No idea how to use it. I see. Okay, that goes in there. No, I've got that stuck. There we go. Look at that. Adjustable Allen key countersink bit. That's just perfect. And there's some more bits in here, different sizes. If I had my glasses on, I'd be able to see. Oh, here we go. Look. Number 6, number 8, 10 and 12. Well, that's perfect. That covers pretty much any hole I'm likely to drill for most projects. We'll give it a go later. I've got a project in mind. Well, thank you Rutland's for my Montana brand drill bit set. I'm not associated with Rutland's. They're just an outfit that I use. I've ordered several tools from them over the past year. Perfect service, good pricing. I like this. Let's carry on.